Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. Apologize for missing last month's Free Beer Friday, but our cameraman and director, Joe, and his wife had a healthy newborn baby, so congratulations. So we're back to do another awesome giveaway to give you something great to have this time of year. So let's head on over to one of my favorite sections, the beer kit section. Well, this is the best time of year to start brewing those special beers. And we carry quite a few of those special beers that are kind of more suited towards the season than just any time at all. So this month, we are giving away holiday ale kits, and of all different types. The grand prize winner, they can actually choose any kit we sell. And then in addition to that, we are gonna give away 5 holiday ale kits because they are hugely popular. You might want to consider brewing them this time of year. It's the perfect time, maybe early November or whatnot. Let them age just a little bit. Have some bottles to give away during the holiday season, especially before your holiday. Something you can give away if you know your mailman, if you know your UPS driver, your FedEx driver, anything like that. As long as they're of age and like beer, they'll love a present like that. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. So what do you brew for the holidays? Do you do anything special? Do you have a tradition? Some people do meads, some people do spiced beers, some people just brew IPAs because they love them. And you can never go wrong with that. We'd love to hear about that. Please put them down in the comments, and don't forget, 2 lucky winners will win a gift card at MoreBeer. Well, that's it for this month. Joe's not getting much sleep these days, so my script's a little light. Would also love to know what you would like us to give away, especially during the holiday season. It's a great time to give you guys something you really want. So stay tuned for next time.
Beautiful.